You back to another video. Today we back in the garage and we got some unboxing to do. And yeah, so we're gonna be working on the Ram today. So let's get to it. All right, so from the last video, we catch y'all up. The other bumper did not come out good, so we went out and got this. And then also found out that the brackets that will support the bumper were no good, which I'm gonna show y'all. So these were banged up. So trying to put the new bumper on it, it wasn't gonna work out because it was pressing against it. So decided to get all new shit for it. So it came out the right way. So let's go back, mount it on and see if we can get it onto the truck before we lose sunlight. So set this shit up and go to work. So we got that all assembled and two. And now we also got a new package, another one. It's this right here, which all it is, the plastic right there, just a new one. I think we might have to reuse the bolts from the old one, so we're gonna throw that on and then keep going. New day, same outfit. Got scrapped. Finishing up the bumper for the Ram. I did order the U-nut that was missing. Holes for the top and the ones I left on the old bumper. But now we're putting the little bottom lip on. And then after that, we're gonna throw it on the truck. Yeah, so we got everything together now. We're gonna make Strap carry this shit by himself.
Yeah.
Don't scratch my shit, bro. Well, look at him go, man. Yeah, the only thing we're missing is the fog light, but that's something I'll do later on. Come on, let me see. Let me get you on the screen, bro. Let's see how good he is with lining up the hole. Hold on, you actually gotta I gotta take that off. So just let it sit. We gotta take that off. Alright, so that's what it turned out like. Bumpers on. I painted the plastic section over there, but I gotta redo it. Didn't come out all that. But yeah, let me take it to the back. Also did the back without showing y'all, but the back is on. It's gotta be clean. It wasn't a perfect bumper, but it works for now. Better than what I had before. But yeah, so now we just gotta clean the inside and then nice pressure washer on the outside. Scrap, tell them. Stay tuned if y'all want to watch the next one, and we out of here.